In a universe full of iconic heroes and legendary villains, the
showdown is here. Welcome to Marvel Rivals, where strategy, skill, and your favorite Marvel characters collide. Marvel Rivals brings together your favorite heroes and villains in fast-paced, tactical combat. Whether you're fighting for the fate of the world or just for glory, each battle brings you closer to unlocking the power of the Marvel Universe. Choose from a diverse roster of Marvel characters, each with their own unique abilities and strengths. Will you play as the tech genius Tony Stark? Or perhaps the indestructible Hulk? From Spider-Man's acrobatics to Thor's thunderous power, every hero and villain has something special to bring to the fight. Marvel Rivals isn't just about brute strength, it's about outsmarting your opponent. Each character comes with a set of moves that can turn the tide of battle. Special attacks, counters, and ultimate abilities are all part of the strategy. And it's not just about single-player action. Take on friends or rivals in real-time PvP modes. Outwit and outplay your opponents to rise through the ranks and claim your spot at the top. Unlock new heroes, skins, and exclusive items in the in-game store. Customize your characters and make them truly your own as you build your dream roster. With frequent updates, new characters, and exciting events, there's always something fresh in Marvel Rivals. The battle never ends, and neither does the fun. Are you ready to step into the arena and prove you're the ultimate Marvel champion? It's time to assemble your team, master your skills, and become the hero or villain you were meant to be. Download Marvel Rivals today on any platform, PlayStation or Xbox or a PC, even available as mobile at the App Store or Google Play. Marvel Rivals, where every fight is legendary.